So the main objective is to understand what is project and understand the difference between academic project and industrial project in the computer and information science, and understand the difference between the structure and project requirements.
دكتور بس انت عامل شير سكرين ولا لا؟ لانه مش مبين
ايش يعني؟
عنا. انت عامل دكتور شير سكرين؟ انه مش مبين عنا شيء اذا عامل عشان سلايد شو او شيء.
Can you see the screen هلا؟
هيك مبين دكتور.
Okay, so that's our objective, and the first thing is we must understand what is the project in industrial and what is a project in the academic world. Both the projects are different because the project that is done in the academic or academia is not the same as the project in the industry. You as a student, you have, if you are assigned a project, you have to look more critically and more deeply than if you are working in the industry where you have a specific task, your first line manager assign it, and you just have to do it. You don't have to think. For example, your line manager, you're working in a company, and your line manager asks you to develop a piece of software to solve a certain problem with, for example, a database access, or the production controls server system, or whatever problem rises in the business, and they have to solve it. You need to think about solving a specific problem. In this situation, you only have to write a program that is only satisfacing the address the problem that is being assigned to you by your line manager. And time constraint will be very important in this situation. But because the scope is very clear and the setting is in industry, you could meet this time constraint. And it will be just literally solving this issue without thinking academically, where you have to think more critically and more deeply about the project or the situation or the problem being solved. In the academic project, you must provide evidence much deeper, and you must show understanding of what you are doing. That's why these projects required justification, and you are expected to do what you are told. Also, you are expected to develop your own thought, argument, idea, and concept. Versus in the industry, you really don't have to develop. You just need to do what you've been asked to address a certain problem. But in the academia, no, there is another dimensions to think about when you are asked to do a project. You have to give your own input. You have to add your own thought, idea. And also, you have to look at the thing from different angles, not just only one angle, which is only solving this problem. Probably you have to expand your horizon to be more creative. Doing what you told does not lead to intellectual discovery or contribution to word thinking. ماشي يعني لما انه الون فيرست لاين مانجر بقول لك اعمل هيك، ما فيش داعي تفكر، ما فيش intellectuality. You are not being asked to think. بس in the academia you are expected to think. To be able to be a critical thinker or give more opinion, you must have a deeper understanding of your project, situation, problem, and event, and how you accomplish that is by gaining research skills. So research is the way to accomplish the other dimension or angle that is we need to cover in the academia project setting. Clear?